Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to enable the social media icons in your Divi Person module to open links in a new browser tab. This allows visitors to explore your linked profiles without leaving your site, improving their browsing experience and keeping them engaged with your content. Let's get started. If you're using Divi Booster, enabling the Open Links in New Tab option on the Divi Person module is a straightforward way to make your social media icons open in a separate browser tab. This approach is great for keeping visitors on your site while still allowing them to view your social profiles. It also ensures the links are correctly set up to open in a new tab, providing a seamless experience for your users. Let's take a look at how this works. Once you're in the Divi Builder and ready to add a Person module, start by searching for the Person module in the module list, then select it. When the settings for the module open, navigate to the Content tab. In this tab, you'll find options for social media links. Here, you can add the URLs for your social media profiles if you haven't done so yet. This ensures your social icons are linked to the correct profiles. Next, while still in the content settings of your Person module, locate the Divi Booster option near the social media URLs. Look for the setting labeled Open Links in New Tab and toggle it on. This ensures that when someone clicks on your social media icons, the links will open in a new browser tab, keeping your site visible in the original tab. This simple change helps improve user experience while maintaining engagement on your site. Once you've added your social media profiles and enabled the Open Links in New Tab option, it's time to save your changes. Simply save the updates in the module settings and then publish your page. This step ensures that all your adjustments are live and ready for visitors to experience. Now that your updates are saved and published, it's time to test them. View your page on the front end and locate the Person module. Check that the module displays as expected, with the social media icons clearly visible. Click on one of the icons to ensure it opens the corresponding social profile in a new browser tab. This quick test verifies that everything is working correctly and your visitors will have a smooth experience. And that's it. By using Divi Booster's simple feature, you can easily configure your Person module to open social media links in a new browser tab. This small but effective tweak helps enhance your visitors' experience, allowing them to explore your social profiles without navigating away from your site. It's a quick way to maintain engagement and keep your content front and center. Thanks for watching.